Hello, welcome. Question 1C, BEC 2026. A typist charges 68 Ghana cedis for the first 8 sheet type and 11 cedis for each additional sheet. We are to calculate the amount earned if the typist type a total of 35 word sheet. Now, this we have to look at it this way. I am typing 35 sheet of paper. Then the first 8, I am not charging it individually. So it means that before you can be able to type and get the 68 cedis, you need to type what? 8 of them. So typing all the 8 give you the amount of 68. Now, I am typing beyond the 8 pieces. So that means that after typing the 8, any other additional sheet I will type is attracting an amount of 11 cedis. So 1, 11. So if I'm typing 9, I will charge the 68 cedis separately and charge 11 cedis for that one additional one. If it is 12, it means I will charge 11 cedis for the remaining 4. If it is 10, 20, I will charge 11 cedis for the remaining 12. So that is the order we are going. So I have to find out how many pieces of paper I am going to type after the 8 in the 35 sheet of paper. That's the concept. So first, total number of sheets is 35. Then the additional one will become 35 minus the 8. That's the concept we need to look at. So we have total number of sheets is 35. Then we also have additional is going to be the 35 minus what? The 8. So in subtracting this, we can do it in the mind. I have 35. If I take away the 5, which is also take away from here, I'll be left with 3 and 30. Then in the 30, I have to take away 3 again from the 30. That will give me 27. Which means that I have 27 sheets left to be typed individually, pricing it at 11 cedis. Which means that every sheet is 11. That means 11 times 27. That's the concept. So first of all, let's find the cost of typing 8 sheet. That is going to give us 68 Ghana cedis. I think we have the X missing here. Then we are going to find the cost of typing the additional 27 word sheet is going to be, I'll be having the 11 cedis multiplying 27. You can find various ways by which this multiplication can be done. We can do it either using the lattice method. We can use the distributive word property method. I'll only use one approach to get the answer. Or, okay, since here we are looking for the answer, we can also use the idea that if you are multiplying any 2-digit number or 3-digit number by 11, all you need to do is to expand that given number. I'm saying you are multiplying a number by 11. The 11 should be the next multiplier. Then expand the two numbers. As you can see, 27 is 27. Then add the 2 and the 7 and put the result in the middle. But in the case where the result is double, you write the ones digit and add the tens digit to this one. So this is 297 by this simple arrangement. Or we expand this to be 10 plus 1 and distribute it on the 27. Or expand this 20 plus 7, distribute it on the 11. Anyhow you want to go, you get your answer. So I will be having 297 Ghana cedis. Remember, I introduced the 2 zeros here after the point to indicate that I am dealing with money. So these are the passwords. So 297 Ghana cedis, 0 pesos should be there. So this is just for the cost of typing additional. So total amount earned is going to be what he got from typing the 8 sheet plus what he got in typing the 27 of them. That will be 297 Ghana cedis. I think here I will arrange. So let's begin with the bigger one, 297. Then we have 6, 8. Still with the Ghana cedis. We'll put the plus here. So we are adding all the way from the ones digit, this plus this. Remember, 8, 9, 10. Meaning if I add 2 from the 7, I should be having 10. Remaining what? 5. 5 plus 10, 15. So I write the 5, then carry the 1. That 1 is 10 that I'm carrying, but let's take it that way. So this will add to this. This is 200 plus 90 plus 7. So the 10 I am bringing is just 10. The one I'm bringing is 10. So 10 plus the 90 give you 100. It means 100 cannot be in this digit. So I write some digit and transfer the 1 to the other side, which will be the 100 column. All right. So this plus this is 10 plus this is 16. Meaning I'll be having the 6 here, carry the 1, which is in the 100 column, add it to this to give you 300. So I should be thinking about 300 and what? 65 cedis in total if I type a paper which is what? 35 pieces. Charging the first 8 at what? 68 cedis and the remaining at a cost of what? 11 cedis. I guess the concept is clear. You can feel free to ask questions for clarification in the comment section. Share, comment, and subscribe.